afternoon. My name is Liaquat Ali Khan. I am represent Fire and Security Association of India. Today here we are at the Police Commissioner's Office of Bangalore. We are in working towards the COVID sanitization activity. We have been donating these machines, what you see here, to most of the fire forces in India. We have supplied in Mumbai for making the sanitization in Dharavi and also in Ahmedabad. Today this is the third time we are doing it in Bangalore, where we are proposing the machines to be used to sanitize the quarters, police quarters. Policemen are the backbone of our security, and they have been doing a wonderful job to make sure that all people are safe and secure. So towards service towards them, we have donated these machines to keep them safe, their families safe. After they come back from work, we need the sanitization of those buildings to be done. So we are making those places where they stay as safe by donating these machines from Fire and Security Association of India in collaboration with ARG and other supporters from various donations. And this has been a great opportunity to serve the police from Fire and Security Association, and we are glad that we are of service to the police. Thank you.
Well, my name is Krishna Prasad. I am the Vice Chair of Fire and Security Association of India. We have been doing a lot of COVID-related support work across India today, and since we saw that Bangalore, especially the Bangalore police, has done a wonderful job. All the police people are in the forefront and actually trying to help to keep up the city healthy. And in this connection, and also many of the police have got infected to this COVID-19. So we decided to support the police and their families by providing this kind of mobile fog jet sanitization machines. Basically, these are portable ones, and it can be taken out anywhere, and we can do a sanitization. And we spoke to the Commissioner of Police, Sri Bhaskar Rao, that why don't we do this for the police quarters, in fact. And today he agreed to it, and then we got these machines. We have delivered 2 machines now, and he is requesting for 5 more machines of these types to be given to them with a co-branding. And we would like to take this association forward with the Bangalore City Police to ensure the safety of our policemen who have been on the forefront for us. Okay. So this is a good opportunity for us also. We requested them and they were very happy, and we have handed over these machines to them. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Chaitanya, Managing Director of My Plush Toy, a custom plush toy manufacturing company. Today we join hands with FSAI, Fire Security Association of India, to offer PPE kits, sanitization machines and masks to our department and the Commissioner of Police. We request the Commissioner to kindly accept our offer. We want the policemen and their families to be safe. Thank you.
One more. Because all the things you have.
Yes, that's why I told her. That's why I told you.
And then we can have this message and listen to all of the comments also.
Yes, sir. Nearby quarters they can cater to.
So all quarters, all 50 quarters are there.
Yes.
So you have different segments, pockets where you have category, you have.
We can identify central locations.
It's Kochira. Okay. But you are given
Okay. Right.
you need to police person. Policeman is strong, society is strong. So
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
try to make us all these
And giving us an opportunity to take part.
MEP is going to.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.